It's amazing because you actually get to see what it's like in the real world and how a big production really operates. My role here has basically just been learning everything that is behind the production side of things in the TV department. So been hands-on with cameras, learning in the actual production suites, how they operate everything, going up to the studios where they do the commentary and things like that. So just a whole picture view of how they do the production here at V8.
I'm attending all the media calls and press conferences, helping them make sure everything runs smoothly, getting people from the pits to talk to NBN. So I'm just pretty much learning all the fundamentals of PR today.
So I'm doing commercial partnerships at the moment. Pretty cool. I got to go in pit lane and watch all the cars go out for the first race, and then go behind into race control and look at all the data and see how they distribute that and everything. Today I've met some pretty important sponsors. I can maybe call on them when I graduate. Yeah, get some great contacts.
I spent a bit of time with the data engineers at the Super Utes, which was pretty interesting. Looking at some of the results from the first practice session and the temps of the cars as they were coming in, and the feedback from the drivers. I supervise a team of undergrad students, the NU racing team, and they're here today with their Formula SAE car, so it'll be very important for them.
I love being able to get amongst it and not just be behind the books and in the classroom.
On-the-job experience is so important. Like one of my mentors of today, he said on his resumes, that's what he looks for.
Experiences like this that you get to do through uni is just everything. I think these are the experiences where you really learn, you really grow, and it's like if you can take as many opportunities like this, and it's just great that uni can provide this, that you can learn as much as possible.